Iron Maiden, Flash of the Blade. So this particular song this is just the intro part that I'm going to show you today and how I play it. So I hold down this string and this string, this one with my thumb and this one with my finger here, just so that those notes don't ring out. Because to do it like this, you can, but you might get a lot of ring out. Suppose if you're really good, you can do it, but I prefer just to hold down the strings right here, and then you're mainly doing 7, 8, 10, 7, 8, 10, and all it is just that you're hammering on and pulling off that note. Just like that. Okay, so all you're gonna do is follow the drums. That's typically what I do when I'm playing that song. So the guitar starts it off, and you're gonna hear the drums, and when the roll comes in, instead of going to 10 for the last note, you're gonna go 8, and then you're gonna do 5, and that's where it starts with the main rhythm. So we're gonna do it slow so you can hear what it sounds like. Okay, I mainly use this finger here because it's the strongest one, but you can use, if you like using this finger, your first finger here, to do it, you can do that too. That depends on how you play and depends on which finger is stronger for you. I like using my second finger just because it's the strongest of all 4. So that's exactly how you play the beginning of that song. So let me know if you like tablature for that. Let me know if you found this useful. Give the video a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to the channel. It will really help me out. I'll see you soon.